Kate Palmero and children, relatives of the Palmero family, and honored guests. My name is Nick Isit, and I belong to a group of seniors who are friends to both Mariam and Kate Palmero. We call ourselves Macdo Early Morning Group because that is where our friendship began some years back before this pandemic. And this is our collective tribute to our dear Miriam. Today we gather to pay our respect to Miriam as we honor her life and legacy with this memorial service. Death is an experience that each of the living will have to take alone in our appointed time. It is time for Miriam to pass on to the next ahead of all of us. In the face of death in the family, we are overwhelmed with untold grief and sadness. But faith in the afterlife provides a spark of joy in our heart as we believe that the one who lives her life to the full, death is just the next adventure. That is why death, no matter the pain it brings us, is not the greatest loss in life. Our greatest loss is what dies inside us while we are still alive. When this memorial service is done, Miriam's resting place will be marked with a tombstone. In that tombstone are described two dates important to her. Her birthday on 9 July 1935 and the date of her death, last 16 October 2022. Like in any other marker for the death, notice that in between these dates is a tiny dash to separate the dates. And that tiny dash is all of Miriam's 87 years of journey in our world. It is her whole life actually, years full of happy, productive, and memorable life journey for her husband and her children, as well as for her friends whose lives she has touched with love and friendship. It is fortunate and perhaps even providential that we in Macdo Early Morning Group has become part of that dust in Miriam's life. Notwithstanding that we have known her just for a short while, and this was nearing the end of her worldly journey. Now we realize that friends we met near the sunset of our life are friends worth keeping indeed, for they are friends that stay with us in spite of ourselves. In our moments of grief, we also finally recall happy times together before the pandemic, like our Macdo Early Morning Group met daily for breakfast and coffee and for fun and friendship. We are one in believing that at senior years, we must use our remaining time on earth to enjoy life and not waste our time on things that will depress us. So as we take our breakfast and sip our coffee, we shared happy memories and anecdotes, exchange jokes, laugh together, and anything to make us lively and happy for the day before breaking up and going our separate ways to attend to our own usual to do things the rest of the day. After all, we only live once, and so enjoy life responsibly while it lasts, knowing fully well that anyway, no one gets out of this life alive. In that short time of friendship and camaraderie with Miriam indeed, we come to know Miriam to be a respectable person, loving to her husband and family, a caring person, and thoughtful to her friends. We recall with gratefulness that Miriam indeed always had something as pasalubong to the group when they returned from the States, or even after visits to their home province here in the country. Thank you, Miriam, indeed, for this thoughtfulness. Unexpectedly and unfortunately, this pandemic cut short our daily meeting of friends at our favorite coffee shop. As civil authorities imposed some basic health protocol to prevent the spread of the deadly virus. It is rare and a setback. Nonetheless, we try to keep in touch with each other and there is an opportunity or greet each other during birthdays. And now, this sad news of Miriam passing on to the next. It was your daughter Jennifer that shared with us the sad news of Miriam's passing on to eternity. It was unexpected and shocking. In reflection, as we are advanced in age 2, the sad reality is a gentle reminder that soon we will follow the road that Miriam has done first. But then we are consoled in our belief that death only ends a life, not a relationship. So that when a friend or loved one dies, the best we can do is honor her or his memories and legacy for as long as we live. This is the reason for our tribute, to inspire us all that the highest tribute to a friend departed is not grief, even when our hearts bleed with sorrow, but gratitude. So in behalf of our Magdo Early Morning Group, thank you, Miriam, for friendship that embraces all humanity. Paalam na aming kaibigang Miriam Palmero. Sa iyong paglalakbay, bawal mo ang aming mga dasal at pagkakaibigan. Dalangin namin sama ka ng mga anghel at maluwagsatin mong marating ang karya ng Diyos. At kung nandun ka na at kaharap man dakilang manlilika, ipanalangin mo naman kami kasama ang mga mahal ko sa buhay na naiyon pa sa mundong ito. Umaasa kami na makikita tayong muli pagdating ng panahon. Pero sana, hindi pa kagad. Para kaibigan Miriam, mahal ka namin. Amen.